Ozo opens up on his relationship with Dorathy.
Do you get? And to me, like I said, I didn't see her as someone that I was dating or anything. I saw her as like like a G, to be honest. That's just what it was.
Yeah.
And so you're always going to feel comfortable talking to your G about anything. So whether today you're having a good day or having a bad day, you and your
Hi guys and welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Please, if this is the first time of viewing, don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification whenever a new video drops. The former housemate of Bbnaija Season 5 also has finally opened up on the kind of relationship he had with Dorathy while in the house, which was largely misunderstood. Ebuka put him on the spot when he asked him why he no longer speaks to Dorathy like they used to back in the house. The second episode of the reunion was lit considering the confessions that was made and attacks that went on. Also revealed that while in the house, he saw Dorathy as his G and never felt emotionally attached to her in any way. Ozo and Dorathy being put in the middle got some truth out as they tried to settle their differences. It was disclosed that Ozo loved the personality of Dorathy and not her body physique, according to Katrina. Ozo maintained that Dorathy was his real G who he always confided in. He indicated that he used to go to her because they felt comfortable around each other, and Dorothy used to give him advice, especially about his relationship. So, guys, what do you think about this reunion show, and what do you think about Ozo and Dorothy's relationship? Do you think Ozo put Dorothy in a bad position during the Bbnaija lockdown house? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also don't fail to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a video drops. Thanks and stay safe.